Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my messy beachy waves. As you can see, it's actually day 2 hair. The curls really stays well. Actually, this method is the only way my curls will stay like this for over a day. So if you guys want to see how I created these curls, keep watching. Bye guys! Well, hi there again. So after you take a shower, you're gonna just do what you do normally. Put on some oil, moisturizer, whatever you do. And you wanna lightly dry your hair. So you wanna spread your hair in half and then spread that again in 5. And start twisting it away from your face. So twist, twist, twist. And twist some more. You want to bring all your hair to the top of your head. Make sure you clip it well since we are going to sleep like this. Okay, see you in the morning. Good night, guys. Good morning, guys. So, I do everything besides my hair in the morning. So, the hair is the last thing I do whenever I get ready. You take off your clip. Your hair should be dry. But since I didn't sleep that much, my hair wasn't. So, I'm likely drying it. Yeah, the hair looks whatever before you kind of style it. I am gonna curl literally probably like random pieces of hair, especially around my face. I'm gonna curl it away from my face and just picking random pieces that I want to just curl. It is not supposed to be neat, it's supposed to be messy, so really there's no way of curling it. I'm just curling it outside of my face. And we are almost done. This is the finishing look. Thank you for watching, guys.